Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the mouthpiece closely. Look for chips at the tip and any hairline cracks along the bore. Once done, remove the reed and ligature so you can see the cork and tenon interface. Make sure the tenon seats evenly in the neck without wobble. If it's tight, avoid force. Apply a tiny amount of cork grease to the neck cork so the mouthpiece slides on smoothly. This prevents misalignment and future leaks. Next, clean the interior and facing. Use a soft brush and warm water to remove residue, then dry thoroughly to prevent swelling. You place the reed on the facing and align its centerline with the mouthpiece tip. Small visual corrections matter because tiny offsets alter response. Once aligned, slide the ligature on and tighten incrementally. Stop when the reed sits secure but can still vibrate. Make sure the mouthpiece sits flush on the cork. Finally, test by playing long tones and scales. Listen for airiness, buzzing, or pitch instability. If you hear a leak, use thin paper against the tip rail and tenon to find escaping air. This pinpoints gaps. A small gap at the tenon may need a cork shim or fresh glue. A chipped tip usually requires professional repair or a replacement mouthpiece. If nothing fixes it, stop and consult a tech. One key troubleshooting tip. Leaks found with paper indicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.